Folks, welcome back to another Ranch Network review. And today we got the Sweepulire incredible outdoor lights we're going to put on our back porch. And I think we got like 125 feet of these things, so there's a whole bunch. So T-Roy, hand me the box. There we go. We're going to try to set these things up, and we're going to try to do it without the use of any tools. I didn't bring any tools out here, so we're just going to try to wing it. So here we go.
We're going to wing it.
Essentially, Jennifer, we've got about, I don't know, 65, 70 feet of room here on the back porch that we can put these lights. So we're going to have about 50 feet more than what we need, but that's okay, right? What do you have in the mystery box here?
These are outdoor waterproof string lights. It's 125 feet. They're LED, and there's about 60 light bulbs on this set. So it's a pretty large outdoor lighting.
It's 125 feet of these string lights. They could go around this porch like twice.
And this is made by Sweepulire. They are very pretty. I actually like the look of these.
They're really nice looking outdoor lights.
They really are. Yeah. They have a very nice look to them, guys. If you take a look at these, they are plastic, like you can, but they look great, yeah.
And it comes with some zip ties too to help hang them up, I guess.
Yeah, that's perfect.
We have a bunch of hooks already here on the porch, so I think we're going to use the pre-existing hooks and just string them up. And so we've got Hanukkah coming up here, so they're going to be great Hanukkah lights.
Okay, I think I found it. Hey, Troy, you want to detangle this knot?
Kids are really good for that stuff.
Let's plug it in over here.
Oh, you found it? Okay. Ah, too bright!
Woo! So I'm just putting these up pretty quickly. That's our goal, is to just kind of get these going. We love to do outdoor grilling, and I love using the smoker out here. We also have the hot tub, so when it's a little bit cooler out and things, it's a really nice area just to, enjoy. Can you twist this one just a little bit one way or the other? Yeah. It's gonna add a lot of atmosphere to our entertainment and make it a lot more fun for us, and just enjoyable for the whole family, so that it'll give it atmosphere. That's a big deal.
So we have the lights up. They look really good.
And they almost look like a little oil lamp bulbs. Like, they're really quite well designed. I like the design of them. And they're beautiful. They're very festive.
So if you guys are getting ready for Hanukkah or whatever, grab some
celebration.
Of these lights. Any celebration. Go down in the description, click on the link, get yours, and I think you're going to be really happy with them.
Yeah, they go a long way.
They do. 125 foot. Boom, right there. We'll see you guys later. Have a blessed evening. Have a blessed day, whatever. We're out of here. That's a review.